Up next, in the Pit Stop Show, we talk to a solo female van lifer travelling Australia in a camper van. G'day.
Hey, how are you?
Good yourself?
Good.
Great. What are you up to?
Just hanging around.
Well, thanks for taking a bit of time to be on the Pit Stop Show with us. So, what's your name?
Lana,
And where you from?
Germany.
And how long have you been living in a van?
Been 3 months.
3 months?
Yeah.
And travelling around Australia or?
I've been traveling from Sydney to Cairns and then back to Byron Bay, and yeah, I'm kind of staying here and working here, and yeah.
Awesome.
Kind of living in Byron now.
Yeah. Great,
Yeah.
Great place to.
Oh my God, it's amazing. Yeah.
What type of van do you drive?
It's a Ford Econovan from 2004, manual.
Nice.
Only 4 gears left.
Boy or girl?
Well, obviously, girl.
Yeah. And what's her name?
I haven't named her yet. Yeah, we'll think about a name now.
So the van itself, did you deck it out?
No, the wood was in there before, and I just painted it, and yeah, the rest I did all by myself, the decoration.
It does look very nice.
Thank you.
Really like it. Well, why don't you give us a royal tour?
This is my bed. I've got my jewellery here and things I need.
So that's all just hanging off the cargo bar or the thing that was already there?
Yeah,
Nice.
True.
What are you using, just paper clips or?
Put it with rope or, yeah.
Awesome.
Just kind of used what it was.
And the roof, you've got a sheet up on the roof?
Yeah. This was all like a dark red before, and I wanted to have it really light, so I just sticked a tablecloth underneath these things.
Cool. So did you just unscrew them or just?
Oh no, I just did it with my fingers or a screwdriver.
Cool.
So yeah, this thing there's all the things I need for the nighttime. My sleeping mask, earplugs.
Earplugs.
It can get quite loud wherever I stand, like people are talking, and yeah, so I really need earplugs.
Right. That rack you've got, where'd you get that stuff from?
Oh well, so that one is like a $3 or $5 one from Kmart, and yeah, all the other things were like pretty cheap stuff from op shops, or this fake plant from Kmart too. It's been pretty cheap.
Yeah. No, it looks really. You've done a great job. And
yeah, thank you.
It's you got to be resourceful.
Yeah.
That's the key.
Yeah.
How about your wall? Tell me about the wall you've got with all your photos.
Oh well, so there's some cards that I've been au pair before, and when I left the family, they wrote me those nice letters, and the kids draw me pictures, and yeah, my best friend at home is there.
And that's just magnets that you use to hold them up?
Yeah.
Yeah, nice. So how about we show us where you cook and all that good stuff?
Yeah, why not? So this is my kitchen. Got a gas cooker here. Yeah, I've got a water tank here when I want to wash dishes or something.
10 litres.
10 litres. I've got a little fridge here. It works through solar power that I've got on the roof. It's 2 panels, yeah. There's a spare battery. It's enough for charging my notebook and my power bank for the phone, and yeah, that's all I need, because in the evenings I usually watch Netflix or something like that.
And that bowl there is your sink.
It should have been a sink, but now I've got just some wine and wine glasses in there.
Important stuff.
Important stuff, totally. All my other cooking stuff is down here. Here's
that's
some
good.
things I need, food, spices, stuff like that.
Okay, and it's an easy option without having to build a drawer and all that.
Yeah, totally. It's as well, Kmart, $9. Pretty easy, and I've got cutlery and more wine in here. Another drawer.
Cool.
Plates and.
That's perfect.
Yeah.
So, and the floor, is that a mat or a
This
rug
is just
or
a
carpet?
mat, because I didn't really like the green. It looks a bit, I don't know,
Yeah.
old, and I just put that on top.
Cool. So
Yeah.
did you just go out in one day, buy all this stuff? Or is this a bit by bit process?
It's a bit by bit process.
Nice.
That's how it ended.
Looks really good. Really good.
Thank
What
you.
are the chains for?
Yeah, well, sometimes when I wash clothes, I just hang them up here. Yeah, I can hang quite a lot, actually.
And I noticed you got a surfboard on the roof, so the wetsuit needs to go somewhere as well.
Oh, I don't have a wetsuit. Even in winter, I just did it with a bikini.
Oh, that's great.
It was so cold, yeah.
Your lights here, are they just running off batteries?
Yeah,
or...
that's all batteries, yeah. And I've got some more fairy lights in there.
So your fairy lights are all battery?
Yeah.
Same idea?
Yeah. It's quite cozy at night.
Yeah. All right, well, how about you show me that fantastic roof rack you've got?
Yeah, well, I didn't build it myself. It just came with the van with a surfboard and 2 bikes on top. I removed the bike because they were shit. So rusty chains and you couldn't really ride them.
How is it attached? Is that just hockey? They're just strapped onto the roof racks that are there, is
Yeah,
it?
like these are proper roof racks and it's just straps, yeah, that are holding it.
And how do you get your surfboard on and off? Just
It's just here with these elastic
hockey straps?
straps and then I just
Slides out the back.
slide down the back, yeah.
Right.
Pretty easy, yeah.
And you've kept your roof racks there because it looks good?
No, I actually want to get rid of it. I just don't know where to dump it.
Right. What's on a fire when the fire van's finished?
Yeah, maybe that's a good idea.
Well, I think that's about it, isn't it? Thank you very much again.
No worries.
It's been awesome.
It's amazing.
Hope you really enjoy Byron and keep having fun and safe travels.
Thank you.
See you next time.
See you next time. Bye.